Hello everyone. We developers of Civil Engineering Desk, Professor N.K. Dhapekar and Hanigor, welcome you all to a new promotional video on this topic, research paper writing and plagiarism. We have total 20 WhatsApp groups, namely Civil Engineering Desk 1, Civil Engineering Desk 2 and so on. You all can join those groups. Those groups are absolutely free of cost. All sort of job opportunities and updates in civil engineering are posted in those groups time to time. We have Civil Engineering Desk YouTube channel also. Please subscribe and press bell icon for latest updates. Detailed video lectures on this topic, research paper writing and plagiarism, are available in our mobile app, which is available in Google Play Store, Civil Engineering Desk mobile application. In this topic, we are going to upload 20 video lectures related to this research paper writing and plagiarism removal techniques. So let us start with this topic. In this, most of the time it has been observed that students face a lot of difficulties in writing their research papers. Not only research papers but academic papers, position papers, review papers, or students are visiting there are some site visits, then they have to submit the report to the concerned authority, and in this process they face a lot of problems. So how to cope up with these problems, how to write these papers, how to write reports, how to submit reports, everything has been discussed in detail in our product. Most of the time, though they are the MTech scholars or BTech students or even PhD scholars, 2 3 years, 6 months, 1 year or so, they are doing lot of efforts. They have completed their experimentation work, but doing work is one aspect, and presenting work in thesis, dissertations, or even in research paper is a very important aspect, and students lag in this, so they get outright rejection. And if their English is poor, language problem is there, grammatical mistakes is there, then also though their work is good, but they are not getting that level degree of recognition for their work. So how to cope up with all these problems we have discussed. We have delivered lectures on resolving all such problems. For academicians, mostly nowadays, they should open their account, they should upload their articles, papers, so that their accountability and Google Scholar citation index, they should know, so that they will come to know that how the research fraternity is recognizing their work. Nextly, selection of proper journal for publishing individual work is a very important aspect. Once the paper, research paper, is complete, then most of the time it has been observed that one research paper simultaneously they are publishing in one or two journals. That is unethical. So either they should take consent of their respective guides, or they should select proper journals, indexing, impact factor, they should be aware of. While writing papers, plagiarism is a big problem which everyone faces. Few softwares like Turnitin, Urkund, licensed softwares are available in every colleges and universities. And when they are getting plagiarism 30%, 40%, and so on, then it is very difficult for the students or researchers to remove, to write the content in their own language. So there are available free tools with the help of which one can write his paper with 100% plagiarism free. Absolutely, there will be no plagiarism in their research papers. No plagiarism is within this limit 10% or so, which is quite acceptable. How to mention the references? What is digital object identifier? How one has to write the paper in such a way that they should get acceptance in highly indexed journals. Everything we have discussed through video lectures in our product, which is available in Play Store. Furthermore, academicians most of the time they have enough material, good stuff. They want to publish books with publishers in India or with some publishers which are available on internationally recognized publishing houses are also there. So how to publish books, even how to start own journals, what are the patenting process, if software is developed, then what are the copyright concepts, how to drag funds from funding agencies for various research proposals, how to avail travel grants. All these aspects we have discussed through our video lectures in this digital product, research paper writing and plagiarism, which is available at very reasonable cost in our Google Play Store. So please purchase it and enjoy. Thank you very much.